Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W, guys. And today I have a trade recap for you. TBLT up over 200% on the day. This thing had a wild open, like really wild, almost a $2 boost right there at the open. It's crazy. But hey, before we move on and I show you this live trade, make sure you subscribe so that you stay tuned to all my upcoming videos. All right, guys, let's jump right on into it. So today I had TBLT. I had one trade on that sucker, and it was at 9:40. Typically, I don't trade until 9:45, but today I took that trade at 9:40. And had I not taken that trade, I probably would not have taken any trade because TBLT does end up failing from that setup I started off in. I did leave the trade green though, so there's that. And I did record it live, so we're going to be able to go over it live. But for now, you can take a look here. You can see TBLT, it's up 223% on the day. Okay, so it's up a lot, but since, you know, the gap up, but it's just not doing much. And VWAP is holding it down real hard. You can see here, once we got under VWAP, it's been hard to get up over it. Look at this. The VWAP is the purple line, and every time, bang, back down. Bang through it, back down. Can't hold above it, back down. Go above VWAP on an increase in volume, back down under VWAP. Right now, look at this. It's right there in front of VWAP. Can't catch any volume to save its life. I mean, for all we know right now, some big shorts will cover and it'll get through it and go to $5 while I'm talking. And it'll be like, oh, Jesse, you're talking mad crap. But we can't trade what we don't see. We can't trade the future. We can only mitigate the risk and trade what we have in front of us. And right now it's looking weak. Right now, to me, this stock has got a bigger chance to go all the way back down to 350 than it does to get through VWAP and get through 450 and move up to $5 and then 550. That would be the plan. You know, that'd be what we would look through. Take a small starter position now, add through the no, I wouldn't even add through VWAP break. Add through the 450 break on increase in volume and look to sell some at 5, some at 550, maybe hold on to a piece to see if it wants to test $6. That would be the plan. I don't think that's going to happen. It's just, I don't think it's going to happen. I don't know if it's because, you know, most people are out there trading a lot of the bigger moves in some of the banks that are putting out earnings today, and it's lacking volume here in the small caps, but we're just seeing volume basically at the open and then maybe some random pops. We have seen some stocks make some good afternoon moves, like yesterday CCCL, day before yesterday BIOC. I think BIOC made some good move yesterday as well in the afternoon. But other than that, it's really hard. We're just seeing these big moves at open. This is almost a $2 move from 365 to 550s, almost 560. But that's at open. These are 3-minute candles. This is the first, 6 minutes of the day. I got in on this flag here, looking for a break over $5 and go test, 550, but it just didn't happen. We couldn't break, we couldn't break out of it. I believe I might have gotten in on this candle, and then I got out on this candle once. No, I'm sorry. I did get in and out all within this same candle right here, this one. I got out right before this candle, and I do have that trade recorded live here for you. So let's take a quick look at that, and you can see what I did. Okay, I did a starter position. I was looking to add over 475 on my way to $5. I was looking to add on my way there, and then selling, into that push, into that squeeze. So I'm already in 200 shares. Cost basis of 457, 475 here holding up. I think we see a high of like on this, on this candle here of like 480 again. And then that was it. It wouldn't break through, guys. It's just really holding up. So that's when I got out. I just got out of it. Watch here, 475, 473. That's the ask. Got the bid, 478. We're looking at probably. I'm looking here for the volume to increase, so that I can see that, hey, yeah, we're gonna go, but it just doesn't. It doesn't. It's not bad volume. It's consistent, and I wouldn't mind it if we could hold. But I see I sold out already, and you'll see what happens here. We immediately drop and crack under VWAP. I did record that part too for you. See, bam. Now we're already in the 430s. And before you know it, you're at 420s. And this is why you have to have a plan. This is why you have to have stops. Even if they're mental stops. I trade with mental stops. I don't trade with hard stops. Unless maybe it's a day, I'm sorry, a swing trade, and I'm not on this, on the platform. Yeah, I might have set a hard stop then. But see, look at this. Where's your bottom here at this point, right? All the way down here to this 350 area. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know where we're going to catch support at that point. It's just going. Look, 417. So that's why we have to have stops, because you never know what's going to happen. So, I mean, the trade, I left it, green. I left that trade green, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. And we're finding this to happen a lot on these patterns this week. We're seeing a lot of rips at the bell, and then we're seeing some afternoon movers. Like yesterday, we had CCCL and BIOC made some afternoon moves. I think the day before yesterday was Monday. We had BIOC make some afternoon moves as well. So maybe today we'll have some better luck in the afternoon. On Monday, I caught MTOB in the afternoon. Was it in the afternoon? Yeah, I believe it was in the afternoon. I caught MTOB. No, I'm sorry, it was late morning. I did a video on it. It should maybe pop up here for you later on the sides. But other than that, guys, I really don't have anything else. Just stay safe, watch your share size, and careful chasing momentum if you do chase momentum at the bell. I don't do that anymore. I just trade patterns on volume, and manage my risk. So at least, what did you trade? What were your entries and exits? Did I miss anything today? Did I miss another stock? I mean, TBLT, BIOC are the top gainers right now that I'm seeing. So I really don't know what else I could have done differently today. Let me know what you did in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe so that you can stay tuned to all my next videos. Talk to you later.